Kainath ma'am, I already had joined your session once, and it is very powerful. We really, पूरी एनर्जी आ जाती है दिन भर की. एंड दीप्ति मैम, थैंक्स फॉर सच अ गुड एक्सप्लेनेशन. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जो पता होती है, बट समझ में नहीं आता है कि क्यों हो रहा है. मतलब सेम पॉइंट पे समझ में नहीं आता है कि अरे हाँ ये है. तो यू आर हेल्पिंग अस टू कनेक्टिंग द डॉट्स. So yes, I'm Varsha Rani from Mulund, Mumbai. Story about me is like 6 years back, I was diagnosed with a very rare kind of autoimmune disease, for which the cause was still unknown. Maybe it's mostly related to gut only. So the disease that I have is so rare that it does not have its own treatment methods defined. So we started taking steroids for this life threatening, because even doctors were not having appropriate treatment for this. उसके लिए कुछ नहीं था, तो started with this autoimmune है, immunity को suppress कर लो, बस इतना ही. But then the side effects that I started facing because of the steroids, those were बहुत ही not so good experience. After taking steroids high dosage for 6 to 8 months, still the recovery was not so good. So I had to take some chemo sessions for blood cancer, and yes, it started showing result after 6 months. So after taking medicines for like 1.5 year, results I, but those were again temporary. So last 6 years mein I had gone through 12 chemo sessions along with the steroids, and ये सब टेम्पररी बेसिस पे था. इसकी वजह से मेरी फिजिकल हेल्थ, मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ काफी काफी हद तक डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुकी थी. बहुत स्ट्रेस लेवल था, एक डिप्रेशन काइंड ऑफ था. एंड वंस आई मेट अमीशा मैम ड्यूरिंग माय मॉर्निंग वर्क, एंड शी एक्सप्लेन मी हाउ वी कैन कम अप विद दिस. एंड शी इज फैबुलस, एज एवरीवन नोज. She explains, she motivates, and the motivation actually, she could penetrate my fear and could take me here. So yes, I took 21 days challenge, and followed by that, now I am part of 3 months challenge now. Our nutritions are really helping. She has also given me, as you mentioned, I had detailed discussion with my coach, and she has given me some supplements, what to have, why to have. She explained very well, and I have started taking them. And yes, my gut is feeling better. I'm feeling energetic. First of all, I'm out of depression within these 2 months. I'm about to finish my 2 months with this community. So yes, the community is so good that nobody is here to judge each other. That is the best thing that I have found here. So yes, nobody is judging, but yes, people are motivating each other, and maybe this is what we actually need, not only physically but also emotionally, mental level पे भी जो support चाहिए होता है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को मिलता है.